Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel, and today we're going to unboxing and review the Philippine Jeepney toys. Hey, what's up guys? This is PTC channel, and today we're going to unboxing and review the Philippine Jeepney toys diecast. Actually guys, ngayon ko lang na-review to kasi ngayon ko lang siya naisip na i-unboxing. Ayan. So yan, Philippine Jeepney, yan yung ano sa likod. Ayan, basahin niyo na lang. Post it if you read. Yan yung flag ng Philippines sa likod at dito sa may harap. Yan, Philippine Jeepney. So let's open this up. Ayan guys, ayan yung Philippine Jeepney toys diecast. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. So guys, ito pala yan yung pangalan dyan sa may ayan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. I love this toys. Sorry yan, sa bubong ng jeep and nakalagay yung mapa ng Pilipinas. Ayan guys, apaka-astig, grabe, ang ganda talaga nito guys, grabe. This is for only, binili ko to sa Kultura guys, matagal na, for only 179 pesos guys. Bili nyo na, may iba-iba siyang color guys, kung pumunta kayo. Ayan guys, yung logo ng mapa ng Pilipinas. Tapos yan sa loob, nakita nyo, wala naman. Ayan guys, I love the wheels. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Ang galing niya talaga guys, talagang clear color yung gawa. Clear, napaka-shiny guys. Oh. Actually guys, hindi to sticker guys. Hindi siya sticker. Pero guys, ito yung sticker yung nandito sa may lapis sa may bintana ng jeep. And sticker yan guys. Isa, matatanggal na. Sa unahan guys, makita nyo yung jeep. Beep, beep, beep. Ang sabi ng jeep, ayan guys. Sorry. Ayan guys. Sa likod, ayan. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Ayan guys, sa may ano niya, may nakalagay na Philippines. Sa may ng jeep. So guys, next soon pala guys, mag-unbox tayo ng Hot Wheels. Abangan nyo guys yung Night Burners 5 packs, yun ang i-unbox natin soon sa aking channel guys. So yes, Philippine Jeepney toys. So leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification guys. So bye guys, see you guys next time. Bye guys. Anyways, 147 subscribers, so enjoy my videos guys, and please subscribe guys. Tuloy nyo lang aking pag-subscribe sa aking channel. Subscribe! Tulungan nyo ako makapag 1K subscribers. 1K subs. See you guys next time. Bye.